Mumbaya. And I won't pay that.
You pray.
Yeah, that was sick. Then that's why I want them open more, but there's actually in my hand saka. Fufun and cats and Kwana Hilda's kitchen away. Razia so the boy and now your finger now. Namona was no Hilda's kitchen and was when you be. Memenida, look, consider with each chapel ba. We su fufu and our kafufu and our and mutu. No, is easy. In a yes, so. Oh, the Lord Jesus Christ in his name means amen.
Amen.
The fufu no the soft and cotton conning. Why die for us fufu na gonna?
Good food, Hilda's kitchen. Oh yeah, good food, Hilda's kitchen.
Cotton conning be the bush.
Good food, Hilda's kitchen. Oh yeah, good food, Hilda's kitchen. Oh yeah, Papa. Good food, Hilda's kitchen. Oh yeah, good food, Hilda's kitchen. Oh yeah, Papa.
Abucha because on near me and sister. Why am all fine?
Oh yeah, good food, Hilda's kitchen. Oh yeah, Papa.
Cocoa shame for that mash show. Young that one had to do.
Hilda's kitchen. Hilda's kitchen.
Catch what they did eat from Hilda's kitchen, where good food is made in a clean environment. The way more show up when one knew that had some quite be bad, sister.
Good food made in clean environments. Oh yes, Papa.
The fufu and yes, oxtail and so come. Oh, God. Cut some corner of the smack home and I'm no come. A corner guys, sister. Oh, what do they say? Shakukan and you do fufu and yes, oh, chaz. Poor Namasid, no, Mamma man salted beef crack, sister. Salted beef no sugar, pocha to be. Baby, it would be you can tell that you're different and no woman as a sister. No woman. Jack. It's trying to die. So with the onion we dice, we've added to the chicken. I'm also trying to edit some for people who will be able to, watch what I'm cooking or record. So we'll be blending this shortly. We've got rosemary over here. We've got some scotch bonnets. Chili, they are very hot. As you know, the weather is so chill. We've got some onion. We've got some cloves of garlic. This is the frozen one. It's very useful. And piece of ginger. Don't skip through this video. So we are now adding our blend to the meat. Yeah, this is going to be for tomorrow after church. As you all know, I always organize myself. Today you are seeing it. So I said, don't waste time in the kitchen. This is tomatoes. This is passata di puri. I love it. So very soon I'm going to add my peanuts. So they will take their time and I'm leaving pepper. If you cook the meat too much, it's going to be too soft, which you don't want it, isn't it? And yes, and oils, and you want to chew the bone. Or For today, I'll be using this peanut butter. It's very smooth. The last time I bought some from Aldi and it was fantabulous. Unfortunately, that one is finished. So I'm going to use this peanut. I'm going to blend it very nicely, very liquidy, and then I'll come back. Shay! One went to the thumbs up and we have two. But I know by the end of the soup, I'm going to get equally like the people watching. Each one with their thumbs up. I use my blender to blend my peanuts. Life easy. That's why you have to watch Hilda's Kitchen. So those of you who just joined, I'm using hard chicken, oxtail, salted beef, and some few herrings. Maybe I'll add more later. And then I first diced my onion and then steam kakra, and then I blend my garlic, ginger, chili, and onion, and I added my tomatoes to it. So at this moment, this is the peanuts. I showed you some of you who were here before. It's not big. Cooking should be something that people should enjoy. You shouldn't stress people at all. Read the comments for me. So guys, as you can see, I just added hot water to the soup. Yes, the liquid is liquid in. Oh baby, oh budget rough. For was some poku oda dead or buy from Hilda's Kitchen. I condemn your guy. And made you any more timboko oda. Can order yours from Hilda's Kitchen. I condo. In cutting convenience. Somebody asks about the oil. It will soon come out. Oh yes, but purpose for the soup we made live, and then no fufu. American while I want on the fufu is trended. Fufu now so come on. Record. Or dip. Morning, but for sure, down Quanon is also trending very nice, man. I'm a woman. That's why it's of your poku. Buy your poku from Hilda's Kitchen. As it to my sister, oh, who rankasa. Shay. Encouraging ABC in that being Konoko school and cut some kwane wa pass papa. Finally, the fufu it's ready. This is not mine. This is for Vicky and Co. So it has our budget, the papa. And then cut some kwane, as you can see. The oil is set, as somebody said, asked whilst I was cooking on live. Would the oil set on top? Yes. My nkatsunkwan, even though I made it very light, but it has still taken it up. So this is oxtail. If you're nkwan one or the boko, Vicky doesn't like much meat, a lot of meat. So man kakre nkwan is obono. Chai nkatsunkwan is nice. Man oil kakre just to make the food appealing. Here poku our way I sell one pocho tobi mutoni bi I tobi. You don't need any meat again after putting this huge fish on your fufu. Sister, you don't need mommy fish oxtail kubi nkaunai. It's okay. Yeah, orokodo. So yeah, banana so yeah, I sell some herrings as well. Herrings.
Food made in a clean environment. Good food, Hilda's Hilda's Kitchen, or your debug papo, or your good food. Hilda's Kitchen, good food. Hilda's Kitchen, or your debug papo. Hilda's Kitchen, good food made in a clean environment.
Buy yours from Hilda's Kitchen. Said I say, I cannot go without him. Brother, baby, will be a bra. Don't hide. Many means the hide and seek some. Yeah, coconansa. While I should wear. May food in a come. Said I see be friends, sister. May watch you. The man fuck a quine young one. We and I miss the mamma song one cry. Ah. Being made banayama or ya condo. You will find it stress free and cutting con upon a chapel by ya or for no dim. Jira papa be fun and cutting con and beef and poku. Buy yours from Hilda's Kitchen, a fire on quan is your buy on quan at the end. Mumbampere, and I won't better that.
You pray.
Yet I was sick. Then that's why I want them open mobile and as I change my hand saka fufun and cutting Kwana Hilda's Kitchen away. Rather so the boy and now your finger na was no Hilda's Kitchen and was when you be. Memenida, look a sido with chapel bar with sufufu and our kafufu and our emutu. No is easy. Yes, so. Oh, the Jesus Christ in his name means amen.
Amen.
The fufu no the soft and cotton conning. Why die for us fufu naguna? As you can see, we have Henry's Eban. We come all that you need is just give it a good rinse and that's you are ready to go. This is our way poku. You can't get it anywhere. Pachamon 360. Our way, you can't get it anywhere. If you want to have a senior Captain Planet, and wouldn't know them susha, but we seniors in Kobe. This is super cool. Brother on 360. Fetcher one a shoon. Fetcher one ye. Akonda. Super qua. One open it in. Mammy DB, they be open it in. It's in it also to Yamma, you're fine. If you want to have a Kobe, show Kobe. Obolobo today, sister. Kobe Obolobo today, where can you get them? Manina 360. Manina 360. And 360. Mohon 360. Now one share no one who day, yes. As a pa, not on who if I am kakra. Papa no. She, shaze. Sister Nataze, Mpocho. Baby, would be able poster, bro. Everywhere you are, Kobe Obolobo to the music. Watch an maba say, Shafo. One to be my Hilda's Kitchen. Oracle, now one mom wanted the man 360 was so. No one who's examining in yes, Captain Planet some Zaba. Eban or ho, poku or ho, superku or ho, sister, you were Kobe, you were salted beef, you were kako, no more can win at Toby. Unkwana no one yemen and why I set were Hilda's Kitchen. Call us on 0799099527.